Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to get sound from AOC monitor. If you want to get sound from AOC monitor and you have built-in speakers on your AOC monitor, then you will need to follow these steps. First, connect audio source. Use an HDMI cable to connect your computer or device, like gaming console, to the HDMI input on your monitor. Ensure the cable support audio transmission. In the second step, set as default output. In Windows, right-click on the volume icon in the taskbar, go to Sounds. Then select your ASU monitor as the default playback device and test the sound. And in macOS, click on the Apple menu, select System Preferences, go to Sound and choose your ASU monitor as the output device. In the third step, adjust volume. Use the volume control on your monitor or computer to adjust the sound level. And your monitor don't have built-in speakers, then you will need to use the external speaker. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.